ni Jazz. Yung ano daw, pwede na kasi.
Totoo ko pag ano, pag tumitingin ako kay Jaren, alala ko si Binsoy. Pag tumitingin ako sa naalala ko si Binsoy na ginagaya ka, tapos na-observe ko yung
Ako lang mo ay.
Ito lang tulungan, ay, ano tawag doon, yung ini-imitate kanya. It's so fun.
Wala siyang pantala.
Bread sauce.
Pero ganyan ba sa ano? Is it like that in UK?
In the UK, depende po yung style. Pero also yung yung baggy trousers,
Oo.
ano,
Parang yun yung uso ngayon eh, parang ganun.
yeah,
Parang
street style. Oh, straight na straight. Sometimes even flared.
Yeah. And then before it was
flared.
skinny jeans before. Yeah.
Now, skinny jeans that's in London. People say, why are you wearing skinny jeans? You should wear baggy pants.
Yeah, because it's out of style. But it's always, I don't know, it's always comfortable to wear skinny jeans. I mean, baggy, yeah.
Because I feel like limousine sometimes. Depende ko. Stretchable skinny jeans.
Are you like leggings?
Pero hindi naman siya.
Leggings,
Hindi ko alam. Kaya ko sila punta.
I think it's fine because
Alam ba kung